Good morning. Dr. Ravi Kumara KM, State Level Best Teacher Awardee, working as an assistant teacher, teaching Kannada as first language to the government schools in Karnataka. He is working at Government High Schools S. Madapura, Kadur Taluku, Chikkamaluru District, Karnataka State. Objective criteria: appraisal reports or other performance appraisal tools of last 3 years. Annual performance by Dr. Ravi Kumara KM, State Level Best Teacher Awardee. The top scorer in the board examination of SSLC from our school. Achievers in SSLC board exam 2022-23. Achievers in SSLC board exam 2023-24. Achievers in SSLC board exam 2024-25. Topper in the SSLC board examination 2022-23. Topper in SSLC board exam 2023-24. Topper in SSLC board examination 2024-25 in my subject Kannada language. Topper in SSLC board examination 2022-23 in my subject Kannada language. Toppers in SSLC board examination 2023-24 in my subject Kannada language. Topper in SSLC board examination 2024-25 receiving the cash prize. Receiving the honor at the district level for securing 100% result in SSLC examination 2024-25. The performance report of the last 14 years in the SSLC examination board exam. The appreciation letter from Director of Examination Board, Karnataka State. Appreciation letter from Director, Examination Board of Karnataka State. Appreciation letter from Director, Examination Board, Karnataka State. The top scorer in my subject who has secured 125 out of 125. The result analysis of the last 3 years. The result analysis of 2023-24 and 2024-25. Result analysis and 2022-23 toppers in Kannada language. Thank you for watching.